Let's discuss why we need Babel and transpilers. First off, what is a transpiler? A transpiler simply reads code written in one language and produces the equivalent code in another one. You might have already heard of CoffeeScript or TypeScript. They make coding in JavaScript a little easier by taking the original JS and allowing us to write functions in a much shorter syntax. Now, it'd be nice just to code in CoffeeScript or TypeScript, but many browsers do not support these languages, which brings us to why do we need transpilers? Browsers only currently have widespread support of older versions of JavaScript, so they can't recognize advanced code like TypeScript code or CoffeeScript code that have simplified JavaScript. They need the pure plain old JavaScript. So, transpilers achieve this by converting advanced code back into the original JavaScript. So which transpiler should I care about? For ES6, we use Babel. Babel is one of the most popular transpilers and has become an industry standard. It allows us to write ES6 code safely, and having Babel will allow us to transform our nice-looking ES6 code back into the pre-ES6 JavaScript that browsers support. In this graphic, we have a nice taste of ES6 code on the left, and it's transpiled back into the pre-ES6 JavaScript on the right, which is much more dense. Awesome! Now that we know that we need Babel to transpile our ES6 code, let's explore how it works in the next video.